One of the best ways to overcome a fear of sex is to work with a sex therapist to be able to be curious about what that fear comes from. Don't ignore it. There's a reason why you have that fear. There have been experiences of life that you have had, either intentional or unintentional, conscious, unconscious, could be things that were said around you or to you, or just attitudes about sex in your home that have an impact and an influence on your experience of your own sexuality, your thoughts about sexual experience. And there's a solution to that we can get curious about where that comes from and what it is that your nervous system needs in order to resolve that so that you can feel relaxed, so that you can look forward to and enjoy sex and have it be a very positive experience for you. Don't be afraid. Don't be alarmed. Seek out the help and you'll be able to enjoy sex soon.